right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and begin with our pig drawing, okay? Our cute pig drawing. So to begin, we're gonna go ahead and make sure we have these materials. We need a piece of paper, a pencil, because as an artist, we always start off by drawing with pencil, a marker, and something to color with. It can be anything that you have at home. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, paint, whatever you may have to use. Okay, I'm choosing to use crayons today, and I also have my marker and my pencil. Okay, I'm going to put those aside. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have my paper on a nice flat surface so I can draw nicely. Okay, then I have my pencil. You always start off with pencil first when you're drawing something. For those of you at home, I know it's rather hard for you to see me drawing in pencil, so I like to use marker. But you, the artist, will start off with pencil. Again, I repeat, you will start off with pencil. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin our cute little pig drawing. I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to make a nice circular shape. It's going to look like a circle, but a little flat on the bottom, and you'll see what I mean. So I'm going to start off like this. Ready? I'm going to make a nice curved line. It looks kind of like an upside down letter U. And then I'm going to connect another line underneath, just like this. There we go. And I'm just gonna fix my lines so you can see them. Okay. The next step I'm going to make is I'm gonna make a nice kind of oval shape inside, but it's not gonna be as big as this. It's gonna be smaller. So I'm going to make an oval shape. And I'm gonna connect it. There you go. Next, I'm going to add the ears. So I'm going to make a line just like that. It looks a little bit like a letter C. Then I'm going to connect it with another one. There we go. One more time. Curved line. Curved line. Okay. And I'm going to make another little set inside of the ears. If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video at each little section that I add. That way it's easier for you and you can go along as fast or as slow as you need to. Okay. The next step are the eyes. I'm going to make 2 dots. Watch me. 1 dot, 2 dots. If you, the artist, want to make a different type of eye shape, you can. Okay? But I'm showing you how to add 2 dots for the eyes. Okay? The next step is I'm going to draw 2 more baby ovals. But watch how I draw them. This one's laying down, but these ovals need to be standing up. Just like this. Okay. The next step is I'm going to add a little smile to my piggy. And I'm going to make a nice little curved line because he's smiling. There we go. Now I'm going to add his body. I'm going to make a regular letter U and attach it to his head. Watch this. I'm going to start here and I'm going to end over here. Ready? Letter U. There we go. There's his little body. And now I'm going to add his feet and his little arms and his little curly tail. So let's draw the feet first. Okay, little feet. We're gonna make 2 lines like that and 2 lines like this. Okay? Now, I'm going to add what I call letter V. Ready? So I can close it. Letter V. There we go. Let's do it to the other side. Letter V. Okay, and now I'm gonna draw a nice straight line like this. One more on this side. Awesome. Okay, and we're gonna draw the top half now of his little arms and feet. Okay, ready? We're gonna do what we did down here. 2 lines. 2 lines. Letter V, letter V, line, line. There we go. There's his little arms and feet. All right, so we're gonna make his little curly tail. Now we're gonna go like this. Ready? We're gonna start right here. And we're gonna go curl that. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna trace what I made. There. All right. So there's our piggy. Watch what I do next. This is the last step before we color. So this is gonna so it looks like he's sitting outside in the grass. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line. Ready? I'm gonna draw a line across, just like this. But I don't wanna draw a line on top of the piggy, right? We got to be very careful. So we're gonna draw a line, and I'm gonna show you where you're gonna stop. So you're gonna draw a line. This is a horizontal line, remember? We're gonna stop. Okay, we're gonna pretend draw. And start again over here and continue. And there we go. So now he looks like he's on the floor, just like this. Okay, so I'm gonna color my little piggy pink. Okay, so he's gonna be pink. Okay, and I'm gonna color here. I'm gonna make it look like he's outside, so I'm gonna color the grass green, and then I'm gonna color the sky blue, because I want it to be a nice sunny day. Okay, and I can add the sun too if I want to. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna remember, I'm gonna color in the spots so I can know what color goes where. Okay, and that way I can be prepared when I color. There we go. And one last color. I'm going to use this green. Awesome. Okay, I'm ready to color. So I have the colors I need here on the table. So I'm going to put away some of the other stuff that I'm not using. That way I can have all the space I need. Okay. Now let's go ahead and begin coloring. So this next part, you're going to see me go really fast. Remember to take your time and to try your best to stay inside of your lines. Watch as I color, okay? So that way you can know how to color yours too. Let's go ahead and get started. And there you have it, boys and girls. The piggy drawing is all done and it's all colored. His feet, the little hooves of his little feet are black. The arms and the rest of his body is a nice little pink. The sky is blue and the grass is green. If you want to add something, like you want to add the sun or you want to add the clouds, you can do that. Or if you want to add some little flowers around your piggy, you're also able to do that. But this is how you draw the piggy itself, okay? When you're all done, make sure you take a good picture so I can go ahead and see it. And make sure that you post it on Google Classroom, okay? Have a wonderful week. I hope you enjoyed your time drawing the piggy drawing. And we'll see you next time. Bye!